I just wanted to share a quick note that I haven't organized it for the purpose of the video. This is how it normally looks. And yes, this video was recommended by Live Talk with Samreen. Thank you so much for the idea. And now on to the video. Assalamu alaikum everybody, hope y'all are doing good. Today I am making a video about how to store traditional jewelry. So I have this Gul Ahmed box here, which is a clothing brand in Pakistan. So this is where I store most of my traditional jewelry. Traditional jewelry to me means the jewelry which is heavy or which belongs to your country but you're living somewhere else, and my other jewelry which is like light and then more modern. So this is what the insides look like. I have two sections here. One is the open area where you can see everything inside, as you can clearly see. Then I have a Tupperware container type situation over here. Okay, so that's a better setup. So I'm gonna start off with this side. This has all of my bangles, which are called churiyan in Urdu. This is what it looks like. I have like the maximum number that can fit here, and the ones which are just sitting alone or just like that are the ones which I don't really need to store because I wear it so often. And these are really pretty. I'm planning on wearing these on Eid, so I was trying them on. These are glass bangles with a golden tint, and there are shocking pink slash purple type of a color. It's like a really tricky color. And then these bangles are really heavy and really traditional, so if you're wearing, like, you're going to like a function or some sort of like a huge gathering, they would suit there. And then this is like a really desi style to wrap bangles, which are glass so they don't break. This is what they look like. They are really festive and really pretty. I haven't worn them yet because I still haven't had a gathering of some sort, like a party or something. I'll wrap that and then pop that back inside. See how it's so easy to pop in and out. And then on top I have a small container. It's a plastic Tupperware container. It's a pretty small size. In here I have the hair accessories which I don't really wear as often, or like I need for special occasions. It's just like a random hair tie. I have like really thick hair, so I don't really have clutches or everything. I have this pearl embedded hair tie, this one which is in black and that was in baby pink, and then some other random, you know, essentials. So I'm gonna pop that back in. And then in here, this is actually a, like, what is this called, whatever it is, a holder or thing that I got from a gold shop in Pakistan, and I have these gorgeous earrings inside. They are really sparkly and they have pearls on the bottom. I actually have a matching set, like a necklace and all with it, but I haven't really showed it in this video. I'll show it maybe in my next video. So that's one side completed. Moving on to hair, I have a red Tupperware container. It's just clear from the sides, and then when you remove the lid you see this. These are like my most like kind of light traditional jewelry, the one which I can wear like on small like occasions, something like a small gathering or just on like Friday. So here I have my favorite thick bangles. These are called gadas. They are copper colored with green and red colored stones inside, again wrapped in plastic so they don't lose their shine. And by the way, most of the jewelry shown here is artificial. I have a box here which is matching this box here, but I'm gonna open that at the end. I'm gonna keep that aside for now. And then I just have like an extra pouch here, so if I have any bracelet lying around I can just pop that in here like this. So this is extremely pretty. As you can see, it's really shiny. It's a white gold bracelet. It's actually from Turkey. Mashallah, it's really pretty. And then I have a watch situation. It's like a watch, but it's like a bracelet as well. I'm gonna open it for you. That's what it looks like. So I am obsessed with jewelry, but I don't really have time to wear this now because I don't have anything to wear too, because right now quarantine is going on. And then in here I have just like some random bangles which I don't think I can open. These are actually stone bangles with like crystals in it. You can like see like a little sneak peek inside. They're really shiny. I can't open these up because these get affected by sunlight and all, so pop that there. So that's what's inside the Tupperware situation. So moving on to the rings, we have two boxes here which have these little like holders inside, and then oops, I opened it upside down. If you followed my Instagram account, you would have seen this. It's a white gold, or it's actually sorry, it's silver, and it has a blue glass stone inside. It's so shiny, even the camera isn't focusing. It's really pretty. I'm a huge fan of rings, and I feel like this is a perfect ring which matches every dress. And then in the second one, this is actually my mom's, because like these were like on a offer. This is a really heavy kind of a ring. Oops, again, it's really beautiful. Look at how shiny it is, even the camera isn't focusing. Yep, look at that. It's really pretty. I'm not gonna like pack these again because that's gonna take too much time. I have a random accessorized pouch here. Random stuff is like all over here. Yeah, so it is here. So this is the necklace. This is actually from India. We got it as a present. Look at that. It's a long necklace situation which matches the earrings I showed y'all before. Look at that. It has pearls and it has white stones, and it's really pretty. And then last but definitely not the least, I have two rings. These are artificial but I've stored them because I didn't have anywhere else to put them. So this is what the first one looks like. I don't know why like jewelry is so hard to show on camera. That's what the first one looks like. The other one is a really simple ring, but I am a huge fan of rings, as I have said before. So yeah, that is my not jewelry collection. This is how I store traditional jewelry. So if you enjoyed it, thank you so much for watching it. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I asked my friends and they did say that it was a good video to make. Look at how much of a mess I made. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. By the way, I just wanted to ask one thing, that would you like me to do a video in Urdu in the future? Thank you. So thank you so much everybody. I really appreciate all of your support, your comments, your likes. I try to respond to every comment. Literally my heart melts when I see y'all's comments, you like the video a lot. So thank you so much. Keep on supporting and take care. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz once again.